Can you die from holding in a sneeze? Some people do. It's like a superpower. I cannot do that. I'll sneeze violently until my brain explodes. You ever been in a situation where you had to hold it in? Yeah, maybe you were in church or the library or Target. Bless me, Karen. Well, it turns out that holding in a sneeze can actually rupture your throat or burst an eardrum or pop a blood vessel in your brain. That doesn't sound good. Yeah, trying to be polite might blow your brain out, literally. Imagine explaining that in the ER. I was just trying to be classy in Whole Foods, and now I can't hear out of my left ear. So what should you do? Let it out. America was built on freedom. Let that sneeze fly, baby. 'Cause freedom ain't free, and neither is sinus pressure. Follow for more weird health facts that might just save your life or your eardrums. Peace out.